MeghalayaPost.news.
Ka 134th edition jongka Indian Oil Durand Cup ka bolong ru ka bala rimba ha Asia bat ka bala pau ba ka prathei la pen bana pakan sazang biang ha ka Plie tarik naitung arjar pesan ha ka jela Meghalaya balban sakhiru ba ka jela Meghalaya kan yo ekalat ban Plie Paidbah ya ka niklempung gile kai ka bahe ha Asia ha ka bala sakhi ba ki trophy balawan poi ha Nongbah Shillong ban Pyni Paidbah Matau snem kan niklempung gile kai ball on penilek kai ha kisan telik gijela ki ba kentup ya ka West Bengal Assam Manipur Jharkhand bat ha Meghalaya ha ka ba ha Nongbah Shillong on yo ekalat ban place dang ya ka nik jingle kai ban nakalang mitri rangba ka jela konrat ki samau long ba ha ka nik kenti ka nik jingle kai ka long ka ba kham he ya ki khosnam trophy la Pyni Paidbah na ka jing Pyni Paidbah ha ka jingle linti ka belas dang na State Convention Center Shillong do menteri rangba ka jela ha ka jingle lang menteri ka tanat yele kai ba Shakler Warjri u senior military officials u Air Marshal Suraj Singh but u Lieutenant Generals u Sanjay Malik ka Shillong kan yo wan penle kai pratli ki jingle kai kan thop ya ka quarter final but ka semi final ban Shillong Hajian Sports Complex hapring banai naitung Plie but banai nailar Plie tarik ya ka jing Pyni Paidbah ya ka trophy kan long ru Shanong Stan batura.
We as a government are committed. We want that we should be the football capital of India. And of course the responsibility is on us as a government. But I want to put that pressure on Baham as well, since he is the president of the Meghalaya Football Association. And I do believe with the collective work, the collective effort, this dream of ours that we can achieve. And not only in terms of football, but sports as a whole. If you look at it, for the past 2 years, for the past 2.5 years that our government has been here, for the past, since the MDA one, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, I have seen that sports as a whole has grown so much in our state. Tomorrow, or maybe in 10 months or a year or two. But whatever we're doing now, I believe that in 5 years, in 10 years to come, the results will show. And it is not that we want to see the results tomorrow. Our main objective, our main goal is that we as a state will be able to produce Olympians from our state. That is a dream. Maybe, you never know in life, maybe the next term we might not be there. But then someday, later in life, when we sleep, we will remember that that was our time when we started all of this. And we are proud to see that one of our youth, one of our athletes from our youth has won Olympics and medal, an Olympic medal for our country. That is our aim and that is our goal.
We are very honored, and in fact it's a proud moment for us. As we have been mentioning, this is not just about a tournament, it's not just about sports, but it is really our commitment and our connect with the armed forces. And this is a special tournament because it's a tournament that is organized by the Indian Armed Forces. So it makes it truly special, and we are very proud as a state and as a government to be able to host it as one of the host cities and be able to be part of this tournament. Secondly, we had been selected last year also, and it was for the first time that Shillong was selected. It has never happened before in the 133 years earlier of this tournament. So having been selected last year was a very big opportunity for us. And as you're aware that we had been working on improving the infrastructure to host the games. And it was at that moment that this tournament came to us. And we faced some challenges at that point in time. Not major ones, very, very minor. In terms of some of the grass and some drainage issues, which we were very prompt to rectify. And as you saw last year, that the games were held in a very, very smooth manner. And I do remember some of the players and some of the coaches telling me that this is one of the best pitches and the best fields, turf that they have played in. So that makes us very proud. And we were also happy to learn that most of the people were very happy with the arrangements that were made by the Meghalaya state government. in terms of hosting the games. So it was a very successful games, and also we saw a huge turnout, and I'm sure that it is one of the largest turnouts compared to any other venue that we saw here in Shillong. So from all angles, it was a very successful tournament last year, and obviously this is the second time that we're doing it, and we are much better prepared. Obviously, small issues could come up. That's something that can always happen to any programs, but we are very sure that all the arrangements have been made in a way that we'll be able to host these games in a far better manner, much better manner than it was last year. Last year also was very good, but it'll be even better this year, especially in terms of the opportunity for the fans to be able to see the game. We're hoping that we'll be able to create better fan parks. Last year, if you remember, there were 1 lakh people who wanted to come and watch the games, and we did not have enough tickets and therefore that became a big issue. But this year we are hopeful that we'll be able to systematically create fan parks and be able to do it. At the same time, I would like to take this opportunity once again to thank our Army, our Air Force, and the entire Indian Armed Forces for all their support, for all the help they've given to us, and most importantly, the opportunity to be part of this very prestigious tournament.
MeghalayaPost.news.